Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been earning crypto on Binance and are wondering how to move your funds from the Earn wallet to your Spot wallet, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step process so you can access your earnings instantly and use them for trading or other purposes. First, open your Binance app. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. At the bottom of your screen, tap on Wallets. This gives you a quick overview of all your wallets in one place. You'll notice three tabs here: Spot, Funding, and Earn. For this process, we'll focus on the Earn tab. Tap on it and then press the lower section of the panel to expand the details. Here, you'll see your total balance, real-time APY, and all the important info about your earnings. Next, it's time to redeem your earnings. Tap the Redeem button. You can either enter the exact amount you want to transfer or select maximum if you want to move all your funds. After that, choose the destination wallet. Make sure you select Spot Wallet, not Funding. Once you confirm, Binance will process the transfer, and just like that, your funds are now in your Spot Wallet. You're free to trade, withdraw, or invest them however you like. It's quick, secure, and ensures your earned crypto is always accessible when you need it. And that's it. Transferring money from your earned wallet to your Spot wallet on Binance is easier than it seems. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on managing your crypto efficiently.